every journey begins with energy. Across India, 23 operational oil refineries work continuously to transform crude oil into the fuels and products that power modern life. India is the world's fourth largest refining hub, fourth largest LNG importer, the third largest oil consumer, the third largest crude oil importer. Using advanced refining technologies, crude oil is transformed into a wide range of fuels and petrochemical products that power everyday life. These refineries produce petrol, diesel, aviation turbine fuel, LPG, petrochemical feedstocks, and many other essential products that support transportation, industries, agriculture, industrial and households. Beyond meeting domestic energy needs, India's refineries produce high-quality petroleum products that are exported to numerous countries across the globe. Powering India, fueling the world.